Hey guys, welcome again to this build. So in this build we are going to work on the backend side of the Alexa YT or the Alexa clone. So first of all we are going to build the backend side using Node.js. So we need to install Node.js on our backend. So just go to open your browser and go to Google and search for Node.js download. So you click on the first link you see. So when you click on the first link you see, the page is what you see on the screen. So just click on download here and then you will download it. I already have it on my PC. I don't really need to download it again. Or you click on a download here using the installer. So you click on this link here. So what I will do is I will drop this link to the description below of this video so you can have it for yourself and easily navigate to it. So we'll continue by going to the current folder we have. So guys, we are going to continue from the initial build. So what I did was I created a new folder that I called Alexa, right? So I have all the initial folder we have for our Next.js in it, and then I created a new folder in it as well called Backend. That's what I like to name the Backend repositories when I'm working with it. So I'll open it with VS Code so we can start work immediately. So instead of VS Code, just navigate to the backend which you've seen here. So you do cd backend and then you get there. So you have to install Node.js first of all, which you've installed already, and Node.js comes with npm installed. So npm is what will help us start our backend. Alright, so this works. So the command is npm init -y, so it gives us all the default backend. If you check package.json, you see all the already installed, all the configuration. You can see the name backend, which you can change to Alexa YT. Alright, it doesn't really matter. So the version is version 1 and the main file is index.js. That's what it's going to run, and that's it. So one thing we need to do is to change here, add something like type as module. Alright, so this is one thing we need to do here, and also we need to set up something here called nodemon node index.js. So this will help us run our backend server. So if in case you don't have nodemon installed, nodemon helps us keeps our server running even when we make changes. Alright, so you just go to Google and search for nodemon install. So nodemon install. Alright, so you just install this to your PC. So this is general package that can run whenever you need it. Alright, so I've already installed it. I don't need to install it again. Cool. So let's go back to the code. So there are some packages we'll be needing for this backend build. We'll be needing Express. So npm install Express. We need Mongoose for database. We need Bcrypt.js for encryption. We need JSON web token to tokenize the user and others to check if the user is logged in or not. Or more of them, we need course and we need .env for environmental variable. So these are some of the things we need for now. While we keep upgrading, we keep updating it. Alright, so we install these packages now. So just give it a few minutes while it's installed. Alright, so it's installing now. You can see on Node is installing all the packages we need. So while that is doing this thing, I'll just create a new folder called index.js. So this is where all our builds will be for this system. Index.js. So I'll show you how to run your first backend server in a bit. Right, so that is clean. So now we need to import express from express, right? So you import course, import .env, import mongoose, but I don't really need mongoose now, so I'll take it out for now. So app const app is equals to express. So we are creating an app configuration and we are setting up our .env for env files, for secret files. So if we want to create our first server, we'll just do app.get, so the home route. Then we have a callback function here which takes request and response. Alright, so inside this we just have to just send something like hello world. Then for us to run this backend server, we'll just do we can do node index.js. It will work, but I prefer doing npm start. So npm start just calls this script here, the node script. So let's see. Okay, let's do start here and let's call this node. Okay, I think this is the right code for it. So let me try this again. I'll do npm start. Yeah, so it works. So you import express from express. Okay, that is type, not types. Okay, I already have type here. Let me take this out here. Alright, so are you seeing node module now is node is you writing my backend and it's loading it. Alright, so let's click ROS to start the backend. So now it's ready, but it's not listening anywhere. So even if we go to localhost now, so we need to set the port first to port 3000 and then set our app.listing at that port. If not, we won't be able to get to the backend. So let's go to the browser. Real quick and then search for localhost 5000 and then click enter. You can see what our backend is sending hello world. So congratulations, you built your first node backend using Express.js. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. I will work on the routes.